So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here these 11 questions to answer on the topic basic ecological concepts. So guys, this video will be about relevance of biology to agriculture. So it's sure to stay till the end of this lesson. We'll start with the first question here. It says, bees are of great importance to the farmer because they A. sting crops to death, B. provide him with honey, C. destroy flowers by sucking nectar from them, D. pollinate flowers. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. Bees are of great importance to farmers because they help in the pollination of flowers. So let's consider the next question. Question number 2. It says, which of the following statements best describes pollination? The transfer of pollen grain from A. anther to stigma, B. anther of a flower to the stigma of another flower in a different species, C. stigmas to stamens, D. anther to the ovary. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's anther to the stigma. So let's consider the next question. Question number 3. It says, which of the following methods is appropriate for the cultivation of cassava? A. stem cutting, B. root cutting, C. fragmentation, D. budding. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's stem cutting. Cassava is actually usually propagated through stem cutting. So let's consider the next question. Question number 4. It says, an abandoned refuse dump may be a good site for an intending vegetable farmer because A. the roots of vegetable seedlings easily get enough light, B. microbial activity has released nutrients into soil, C. refuse dump possess plenty of gas which scares away rodents, D. very little manual work will be done by the farmer. So guys, the answer to this question is option B. Microbial activity had released nutrients into the soil. So let's consider the next question. Question number 5 here. It says, a vegetable farmer will benefit from a cattle rearer if A. the farmer provides shelter for the cattle and cattle rearer, B. the fecal remains of the cattle are made available to the farmer, C. the cattle rearer makes available meat. The cattle rearer makes available meat to the farmer daily, D. the farmer makes available fresh green vegetables for consumption by the cattle daily. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. A vegetable farmer will benefit from the cattle rearer if the fecal remains of the cattle are made available to the farmer. In this case, the farmer will have to use these fecal remains as manure for the vegetable farm. So let's consider the next question. Question number 6. It says, the following are methods of measuring plant growth except A. counting the number of fruits produced, B. measuring the increase in height of the shoots, C. measuring the length and breadth of the leaf, D. determining the fresh and dry weight of the plant. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's counting the number of fruits produced. Plant growth is measured by parameters such as the increase in the plant's height, fresh and dry weight of the plant, and then the length and breadth of the leaves. But guys, counting the number of fruits produced is not actually a direct method of measuring plant growth, although it can provide a little information about the plant's reproductive success, but it does not directly measure the plant's growth or development. So that's it for that question. So let's consider the next question. Question number 7. It says, leguminous crops are incorporated into crop rotation in order to A. increase the rate of soil formation. B, improve upon the water holding capacity of the soil. C, improve aeration of the soil. D, promote nitrogen fixation. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's to promote nitrogen fixation. So let's consider the next question, guys. Question number 8 here. So the question says, the following organisms are pests of plants except A, birds, B, nematodes, C, bacteria, and D, rodents. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's bacteria. Bacteria are not considered pests of plants, so that's the odd option here, while birds, nematodes, rodents are all considered pests. So that's it for that question. Let's consider the next question, question number 9. It says, the farming practice by which an exhausted farmland is left for a number of years before cultivation is known as A, monocropping, B, continuous cropping, C, bush fallowing, D, crop rotation. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's bush fallowing. Let's consider the next question, question number 10 here. It says, the importance of practicing crop rotation in agriculture is A, maintain the fertility of the soil, B, improve the nutritional value of crops, C, ensure growth of cash crops, D, control soil erosion. So guys, the importance of practicing crop rotation in agriculture is to maintain the fertility of soil, and that's option A here. So let's consider the next and the last question, guys. Which of the following practices improves crop yield in a clay soil? Addition of A, lime and humus, B, more water and humus, C, fertilizers, and D, weedicides and fertilizers. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's addition of more lime and humus. Clay soil is actually compact and has poor drainage, so adding lime and humus will improve the structure of the clay soil. Lime will increase the pH of the soil and make it less acidic, whereas the humus will improve the soil's nutrient content and water holding capacity, thus improving the crop yield. So that's it for that question, and this is where we end this video for today. So guys, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community, where we'll post major updates on WAEC examination. So we encourage you to do that by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. So thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.